Okay, I'm going to show you the class that I've set up on Storyjumper, which is the digital storytelling platform that I chose to use. So as you can see here, the name of my class is Mrs. Belita's Authors, because I want my students to really take on that identity of an author, and this is one of the tools that I would use to have them create books and write and create things. So as you can see here, I've created 3 students in my class. So I added their first and last names and then a username, which the students themselves could choose. And the password I created for all of my students to be able to get in here will be "We love to write." So that's how they will log in. And then if I want to add more students, all I would do is go here, press Edit Students, and then just add one, and then I can just add in their name. So we'll call them Rob Weatherford and Super Buffalo 490. Then I would just press save. Also, another way to add students was I can just have them go to this website, and then they just type in our class password, and then they can put in their own name and choose their own username. And that way I'll get all of my students put in on our class here. And parents can also figure out how to have their children use it at home. With this button right here, I can just email them and give them access to that at home if I choose to. So it's very simple, and that is everything.